Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This time we're going to talk about GoodSync, a comprehensive online backup service that will ensure you never lose a file ever again. Throughout this video we'll go over GoodSync's extensive set of tools, ease of use, pricing structure and overall quality. So stick around to find out whether GoodSync is worth your hard-earned money. As always, we also recommend reading our review on bestreviews.net. There you'll find information on GoodSync's latest updates, discounts and free trials. One of GoodSync's main advantages is its extensive configuration. Although the setup is a bit complicated and takes a while to complete, the software backs up and syncs your files automatically afterward. In other words, after putting in the time setting it up, you can rest assured that GoodSync is taking good care of your files. Beginners may find creating a job a bit tricky, but when you understand how the backup service works, it's actually quite simple. On the left side, you select which folder path you want backed up. It can be a local folder, your full PC, flash drive, cloud service, email, the list goes on. On the right side, you select where the data should be backed up or synced to. Before creating the job, it's also necessary to go over its options. This is where you select the type of backup, add sync filters, set the file upload speed limit, and more. When you're happy with your setup, click Analyze to complete the job. GoodSync checks whether everything has been configured correctly and then starts backing up or syncing all your files. If you want the job to synchronize both sides, click the Sync button. GoodSync offers all kinds of backups. You can schedule end-to-end encrypted backup and synchronization jobs to go off every few hours, on specific days, when you plug in an external device, or when you turn off your computer. Of course, continuous backups are also available and come with the neat extra of allowing you to decide how different the file needs to be in order to be backed up. But if you prefer that GoodSync only backs up when you tell it to, you can do so by clicking on the arrows found inside each job. The direction of the arrow shows you where GoodSync will copy the file. It's important to mention that GoodSync also supports all kinds of devices. Depending on your preference, you can back up your data from and to external drives, NAS servers, other computers, or even your mobile phone. Plus, integrating your cloud service with the software is easy. This is especially useful since GoodSync's cloud service lacks geo-redundant servers. And because GoodSync can back up full devices, such as your computer or smartphone, it can also be used as a system restore tool. Having so many backup and sync options is great and all, but it's essential that an online backup service doesn't slow down your device while operating, especially when it works in the background. Fortunately, GoodSync does a good job of keeping it light. By only transferring block-level data, the software also reduces backup time, network consumption, and storage requirements. But not everything is perfect with GoodSync. Although the software installs a dedicated app that offers an overview of your files on all devices, it isn't the most user-friendly. Since you only get a tree view and the software lacks a search function, finding misplaced files is challenging. Sharing files with others can also be a bit of a headache. It should only take a few mouse clicks, like with most of GoodSync's competitors, but instead you need to log into GoodSync's online dashboard and type in all the necessary information every time you want to share a folder. GoodSync's pricing structure is divided into 3 plans: the annual, 3 and 5-year subscriptions. As usual, the longer you commit, the less you pay per month. The personal plan caters to individuals and supports up to 5 connected devices. It offers unlimited backup and synchronization jobs, as well as access to the mobile app. Meanwhile, the workstation and server subscriptions are a better fit for businesses. They allow for a higher number of connected devices and provide an admin dashboard. But before getting out your credit card, we highly recommend trying the software by taking advantage of its free plan. Check out our website at bestreviews.net to know how to use GoodSync at zero cost. Test the business plans for 30 days with no commitment whatsoever and get 10 GB of cloud storage for free. The main channel to contact GoodSync's customer support is the ticketing system. You can find it either online or within the desktop and mobile apps. As well as getting 24/7 customer support, paying users can also contact GoodSync via phone. The company's Facebook and Twitter profiles are also an option, as the team does its best to respond to comments, tweets, and direct messages quickly. Of course, checking out the comprehensive knowledge base is also a possibility. Here, you'll find extensive articles going over GoodSync's ins and outs and easy-to-follow guides explaining how to use the software. Overall, GoodSync is an excellent online backup service with an extensive set of tools that allows you to be as thorough as you want. It supports a wide variety of devices and cloud services and lets you create end-to-end encrypted local backups with GoodSync Connect. In other words, you can have your files everywhere without the information ever reaching GoodSync servers. But every rose has its thorn. GoodSync's cloud service lacks geo-redundant servers, which is far from ideal. On top of that, the software's setup and file sharing are overcomplicated, which may scare beginners away. In fact, that's the main reason why we recommend GoodSync to more advanced users who love to thoroughly tweak every setting to their preference. To know more about GoodSync, including up-to-date discounts and how to use the software for free, check out our review linked in the description box below.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!